So today's your birthday, and where are we right now?
We're in Roxbury, New Jersey.
We're not in North Carolina?
No.
So they have the... Now that I'm grandpa, I'm going to have the grandpa breakfast. 2 eggs. So now that I'm grandpa, I'm going to have a grandpa breakfast. It's 2 farm eggs, country steak, or fried steak, or the fried chicken. I'll have the home fried chicken. That's what I'm gonna have. Fireplace, I don't know. It's on. There are fireplaces on. We're not in North Carolina or Virginia today. We're just in New Jersey, Cracker Barrel. Right? All right. Cheers to the Cracker Barrel.
Cheers for seniors.
So there's the grandpa's breakfast. There's the happy birthday pancake breakfast. The grits and the biscuits with chicken with gravy. And what do you have to say about those pancakes? Try them. Alright, so Cracker Barrel trick. You take the syrup bottle, you put it in the bag with the napkin so it doesn't leak, and you take it home with you. Also, the pancake butter is softer. You use that pancake butter to put on because it'll melt faster. So, how'd you like your breakfast?
It was good.
All right. So mine was pretty good too. Let me see this rocket chair. I wonder if it's comfortable. Not really. It's slippery. Want to play checkers? Let's see. It's not as cold as last week, but it's cold.
Yesterday was cold.
Happy birthday. All right. So we're leaving Cracker Barrel. We just had our breakfast.